Hi, in previous lecture I discussed compound automata. When two automata are combined to form one automata, it is called as compound automata. Initial state will be both initial state, final state depend on the operation, and number of state will be multiplication of both number of state. And we discussed one example here, two state in first DFA, two state in the second DFA. There are four state in the compound automata. Now we'll discuss some more example. So example 2, every string contains substring AB and length is divisible by 3. So we can divide it into two languages. First language is every string contains substring AB. Second language is length is divisible by 3. So first language, every string contains substring AB. You can write W equal to X, AB, X. AB will be there, before that it can be anything, after that it can be anything. For that it requires three state. I already discussed how to design DFA for substring, just go through that. Now this is a DFA having substring AB. Now I'll design a DFA for length equal to 0 mod 3. Length is divisible by 3. It requires three state. Now this is a DFA of length 0 mod 3. Length is divisible by 3. Now we'll combine these two DFA. So how many state will be? There will be 9 state. And we'll do a cross product. So state will be 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, then 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, then 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. So first I'm writing the state. Now we got 9 state, 1 4, 2 4, 3 4, then 1 5, 2 5, 3 5, then 1 6, 2 6, 3 6. And 3 4 will be final state as it is written and. If it will be or, then wherever 3 or 4 is present, that will be final state. 1 4 will be final state, 2 4 will be final state, 3 4 will be final state, then 3 5, 3 6 also be final state. Wherever 4 or 3 present, that will be final state. I will do for state 1 4. From 1 by 8 go to 2, from 4 by 8 go to 5. So from 1 4 state by 8 go to 2 5. Now from 1 by B it go to 1, from 4 by B it go to 5. So from 1 4 state by B it go to 1 5. Then I'll do for 1 5 state, from 1 by A it goes to 2, then from 5 by A it goes to 6. Now from 1 5 by A it goes to 2 6 state. From 1 by B it go to 1, 5 by B it go to 6. So from 1 5 by B it go to 1 6. Now I'll do for 1 6, from 1 by 8 go to 2, from 6 by 8 go to 4. So from 1 6 by 8 will go to 2 4. And by B, from 1 B is a self loop, and from 6 by B to go to 4. So it will go to 1 4. Now I'll do for 2 4. From 2 by 8 go to 2, from 4 by 8 go to 5. So from 2 4 by 8 go to 2 5. Then from 2 4 by B, from 2 by B to go to 3, and from 4 by B to go to 5. So from 2 4 by B it will go to 3 5 state. Now I'll do for 2 5, from 2 by 8 to go to 2, and from 5 by 8 to go to 6. So from 2 5 by 8 will go to 2 6. And by B, from 2 by B to go to 3, and from 5 by B to go to 6. So from 2 5 by B it will go to 3 6. Now for 2 6, from 2 by 8 to go to 2, and from 6 by 8 to go to 4. So from 2 6 by 8 will go to 2 4, and by B it go to 3, and from 6 by B it go to 4, so it will go to 3 4. Now I'll do for 3 4, from 3 and 4, from 3 by 8 go to 3, from 4 by 8 go to 5. So from 3 4 by 8 will go to 3 5. Now by B, from 3 by B to go to 3, and from 4 by B it go to 5. So for A, B both it will go to 3 5. Now I'll do for 3 5. From 3 by A and by B it go to 3. From 5 by A and B it go to 6. So from 3 4 by A, B it will go to 3 6. Then we'll do for 3 6, from 3 by A, B to go to 3. From 6 by A, B to go to 4. So from 3 6 by A, B it go to 3 4. Now the DFA is finished. We did all transaction. Number of state equal to 3 multiplied by 3, it is 9. If it will be or, then 1 4, 2 4, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6 will be final state. It is AND, so 3 4 is the only final state. And which string it will accept? Substring contain AB and length is divisible by 3. Just check A, B, A, B, A, B, 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 B. Just check here this contain AB, here this contain AB, but here no AB is there, here no AB is there. Just check triple A, all length is 3, but it contains substring AB or not. So I'm just checking triple A, from 1 4 by 8 go to 2 4, then from 2 4 by 8 go to 2 6, then by another A it will go to 2 4, and it is not final state, so it will be not accept. Let's check ABA. From 1 4 by 8 will go to 2 4, then from 2 4 by B it will go to 3 6, and from 3 6 by 8 will go to 3 4, and this is the final state, so this will be accept. Let's check BAB. From 1 4 by B it go to 1 5, then from 1 5 by 8 go to 2 6, then from 2 6 by B it go to 3 4, and this will be accept. Let's check BBB. From 1 4 by B it go to 1 5, then 1 5 by B it go to 1 6, then by B it go to 1 4, and this will not accept. Whenever length is divisible by 3 plus it contains substring AB, then this will be accepted by this TFA. Thank you.